Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing smartly. Make sure your device GPS is accurate and Google Maps permissions are on. Once done, collect every address in one list, include delivery windows and priority tags so you can reorder. Then open Maps and tap directions, choose driving, and enter your first stop. You start with the most time-sensitive drop. This establishes a reliable baseline route. It prevents backtracking and reduces fuel use. Make sure to disable any power-saving mode that limits background location updates. Next, you add and optimize stops. Tap the plus icon to include multiple addresses, then drag them to match your delivery priority. Once added, use the live traffic layer and preview alternate routes to see ETA trade-offs. Choose the route with fewer stops on congested segments. If you're handling many addresses, prepare a CSV and import it into My Maps or use a recommended route planning add-on. This lets you batch create optimized sequences. Make sure to factor in delivery windows when reordering to avoid late drops. Finish by starting turn-by-turn navigation and following the voice guidance. Once driving, minimize map fiddling so maps can recalculate smoothly. If maps reroutes unpredictably, pause navigation, confirm your network and GPS signal, then restart the app to force a fresh calculation. Also, download offline maps for areas with poor coverage and verify you have enough storage before departure. This closes the loop. You execute deliveries reliably, adapt when conditions change, and have a quick troubleshooting step to restore stable routing if things go wrong.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.